Students, this is 146th maths class. Let us solve some more problems on that chain rule. Let us solve some more problems using chain rule. So look at the students. So write find dy by dx of the following. Find dy by dx of the following. First one. So look at this students. First one, write sin ax. So differentiate that. Y is equal to sin ax. We don't have power in this case. Students. You need not to differentiate power. We have base and angle. First you differentiate base, then go for angle. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. ಮೊದಲು sin ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Differentiation of sin is cos. While differentiating sin, keep this ax as it is. Cos ax. Differentiating sin over. Now come to a into x. ಇದು ಮುಗಿದಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. Constant into function. Keep that a as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. So tell me answer, students. dy by dx is a into cos ax. One more question. So tan 3x. You take that as y. Y is equal to tan 3x. Differentiate that. So dy by dx. Again power base angle. PBA rule. Power base angle rule. We don't have power. First you differentiate tan, then go inside. Tan ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ. Differentiation of tan is secant square 3x. So differentiation of tan over. Now go inside 3x. Constant into function. Keep the 3 as it is. Differentiate x. 3 into 1. So tell me answer, students. dy by dx is 3 secant square 3x. Come to next question. Secant of 10x. Secant 10x. So differentiate that. Let y equals secant 10x. Differentiate that. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Next, differentiation of secant is secant into tan. Differentiation of secant is secant into tan. That is secant 10x into tan 10x. Differentiation of secant over. Go inside 10x. Constant into function. Write the 10 as it is. Differentiation of x is 1. Next question. Right. So log of x square plus 1. Let y equals log of x square plus 1. We don't have power in this. Power illa. Whole power illa. We don't have power in that. We don't have whole power. First you differentiate log. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. So differentiation of log x is 1 by x. By that formula, you add that into your formula list. So first you differentiate log. Differentiation of y is dy by dx. Log is 1 by x square plus 1 into differentiation of log is 1 by x square plus 1. After differentiating log, go inside. Differentiation of x square is 2x plus 1. 1 it is constant. Differentiation of x square is 2x. Differentiation of 1 is 0. So tell me answer, students. dy by dx is 2x by 1 plus x square. 2x by 1 plus x square. Let us solve more questions of this type. So next question. So y is equal to 1 by x power 10. So 1 by x power 10. You take that as y. So let y is equal to 1 by x power 10. Clearly, the given function is in quotient form, but quotient rule is not required. Quotient rule is not required. Even without using quotient rule, that can be differentiated easily. You send x power 10 to numerator, x power minus 10. If I make this, if I send x power 10 to numerator, quotient rule is not required. This is quotient form. Now it is in the form x power n. X power n. Differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. That could be differentiated directly. Quotient rule not required. Can be differentiated directly. So dy by dx is equal to x power n into x power n minus 1. n into x power n minus 1. So tell me answer, students. Minus 10 into x power minus 11. Bring that down. Minus 10 by x power 11. So next question. So write. So 1 by x power 3 by 2. 1 by x power 3 by 2. Let y. You take that as y. Let y is equal to 1 by x power 3 by 2. Send that to numerator. You send that to numerator. It becomes x power minus 3 by 2. It becomes x power minus 3 by 2. X power n. Differentiation of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. So dy by dx n into minus 3 by 2 into x power minus 3 by 2 minus 1. n into x power n minus 1. So write. Next, after differentiating power, you think of base. Differentiation of x is 1. Need not to write. You apply power base angle formula. So after differentiating power, we need to differentiate x. How much is differentiation of x? It is 1. Writing 1 not required. Tell me answer, students. You tell me answer. Minus 3 by 2 x power LCM. You find out LCM in the numerator. Minus 3 minus 2. Minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. So right. Let us go for one more question. So let us solve some more questions. So write root of x square plus 1. You take that as y. Let y is equal to root of x square plus 1. Let y is equal to root of x square plus 1. First, power. Power means root. Base means x square plus 1. First to differentiate root. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Differentiation of root is 1 by 2 root. If it is x, we carry that x as it is. In the place of x, if it is sin x, how much should be written? In the place of x, if it is sin x, you should write 1 by 2 root sin x. You by head, differentiation of root is 1 by 2 root. 1 by 2 root x. After differentiating power, you go inside. X, we have x. Differentiation of x is 1. No need to write. Differentiation of x is 1. Need not to write. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. In the place of x, if we have any other function, in the place of x, if there is any other function, differentiating that is must. So let us go for that. You apply that dy by dx. Differentiation of root is 1 by 2 root. We don't have x. If it is x, you carry x. In the place of x, we have x square plus 1. You should write x square plus 1. Differentiation of root over. Differentiation of root over. Now come inside. ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. ರೂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬನ್ನಿ. x square plus 1. Differentiation of x square is 2x. X square is 2x. X power n. n into x power n minus 1. 2x plus differentiation of 1 is 0. Differentiation of 1 is 0. 2x by 2. 2 get cancels. 2x plus 0. It is 2x. 2 get cancels. X by, so root x square plus 1. X by root x square plus 1. Next question. So right. So root of sine of log x. Root of sine of log x. You take that as y. Y. Y is equal to root of sine log x. Y is equal to root of sine log x. First you differentiate root. After differentiating root, go inside. So one thing you remember, students, you start differentiating from outside. Root. You differentiate that. Differentiation of root is dy by dx. Differentiation of root is 1 by 2 root sine log x. Differentiation of root is 1 by 2 root. If it is x, you write x. In the place of x, we have sine log x. You carry that sine log x as it is. So next, root over. After differentiating root, go inside. Sine. Differentiation of sine is cos. Cos log x. Cos log x. Root over sine over. Differentiation of sine is cos. While differentiating base, keep the handle as it is. Sine ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ log x ಆಗೇಳಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ root ಆಯ್ತು, sine ಆಯ್ತು. Still we have log x to differentiate. Still log x remaining to differentiate. Differentiation of log x is 1 by x. 1 by x. Write that as it is. dy by dx is cos log x. Cos log x by 2x into root of sine log x. So go for next question. You go for next question. So write root of root x. Root of root x. Y equals root of root x. So differentiate dy by dx. First you differentiate outside root. Differentiation of root is 1 by 2 root. Differentiation of root is 1 by 2 root. 1 by 2 root. In the place of x we have root x. In the place of x, root x. 1 by 2 root x. Root of root x means 1 by 2 root. In the place of x we have root x. Write that as it is. Differentiation of outside root over. Come inside root x. Differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. If you wish, still you can go inside. Still inside we have x. ತುಂಬಾ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ x ಇದೆ. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x is 1. Differentiation of x is 1. Now let's go for one more question. Sine of x square. Sine of x cube. Sine of x cube. So solution y equals sine x cube. Be careful, students. This power is inside. This power is for x. We don't have whole power. We don't have outside power. So ಸೈನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಸೈನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್, ಸೈನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಬೋತ್ ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ಲಿ. ಸೈನ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. You observe both the questions, students. Don't get confusions. Here we don't have power. Whole power it is one. Sin whole power we don't have whole power. So you start from whole power. So after differentiating whole power, we will come to base. After that we will go for this power. Right? So how to differentiate this is dy by dx. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ whole power ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಇದು whole power ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು. ಸೈನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಪವರ್ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪವರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಪವರ್ ಇದು ಒನ್ ಇದೆ, ಒನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂತ. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಪವರ್. ನೌ ವಿ ಮೀಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಸ್ 3x square. Be careful. Now you come to this one. So dy by dx. Here we have whole power. Sin cube means sin cube theta. Sin cube theta means sin theta whole cube. This is outside power. If there is outside power, you start differentiating from outside power. So write that sin cube. This is power. Power base angle. Power base angle. Careful. First differentiate power, then come to base, then angle. Power is one. Power base angle. Power is one. Differentiation of power one. Need not to differentiate one. 1 into 1 minus 1. Need not to write that. Right? Differentiation of sin is cos. X cube is 3x square. Here we have power x power n into. First to differentiate power 3 into sin power 3 minus 1 2 x cube. Differentiation of power x power n into x power n minus 1 3 minus 1 it is 2. Differentiation of power over. Now you come to base. Differentiation of sin is cos x cube. Differentiation of sin is cos. Keep that angle as it is. Still x cube is there to differentiate. Still we have to differentiate x cube. So differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Usually you people will get confusions whenever between these two types of problems. ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ, ತಪ್ಪು, ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರಿ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಸೊ y is equal to tan of cos x. Again I take one more. Y equals tan power 5 cos x cos square x. Tan of cos x tan power 5. Wait. Y equals tan of x power 10. Tan power 5 x power 10. Look at this, students. This is not a whole power. So if I go inside, tan na ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ I need this power. I need this power. But here we have whole power. So if the function has whole power, you start from that whole power. Power base angle. Here power is 1. Base is tan. Angle is x power 10. Power is 5. Base is tan. Angle is x power 10. Differentiate this dy by dx. Differentiation of tan is secant square x power 10. Differentiation of tan over. Now go inside x power n into x power n minus 1. n into x power n minus 1, 10 into x power 9, n minus 1 9. Now you come to this dy by dx. Now we have power, whole power base angle, right? Differentiation of power 5 into tan power 4 x power 10. Differentiation of power over. Now come to this tan. Differentiation of tan is secant square x power 10. Power over tan over. Come to this x power 10. Differentiation of x power 10 is 10 into x power 9. This is how we differentiate it. So you can go for writing one more step. So dy by dx. So 10 5s are 50 x power 9 into tan power 4 x power 10 into secant square x power 10. This is the required answer. I hope you are understanding, students. Practice well. Practice. Only on practicing you will learn it. Otherwise you cannot learn it. So now go for next question. E power x square. E power x square. You take that as y. So right, let y equals e power x square. Clearly it is in the form e power fx. Differentiation of e power fx. How much is the differentiation of e power fx? E power fx into differentiation of fx. Differentiation of fx. By head that differentiation of e power fx. Differentiation of e power fx is e power fx into differentiation of fx. Whenever that e power x comes, you always apply this rule. E power fx, right? Students, differentiation of e power x is e power x because the e power x is e power x. Again differentiation of x, dx by dx. Dx by dx it is 1, it is e power x. E power x में differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ e power x ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1, ಬಟ್ x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. x ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. x ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ದ ರೂಲ್. You observe both the rules. You observe both the rules. You observe both the rules. Differentiation of e power x square. So y dy by dx is equal to e power fx. E power fx means e power x square. Again differentiation of x square. It is 2x. That's all. That's all. Let us go for solving one more question. So one more. I hope you are understanding it. So right there. Let us solve some more questions. So e power sin x. E power sin x. Solution. Y equals e power sin x. Y equals e power sin x. Dy by dx. Again it is in the form e power fx. If we have x here, differentiation of x becomes 1. Need not to go for one more differentiation. In the place of x, if it is any other function, you must differentiate that. Differentiation of e power sin x. E power sin x is e power sin x. Again sin x is cos x. So next question. So y equals e power x cube. So dy by dx whole x cube is e power x cube. Again x cube is 3x square. So next question, y equals e power log x. So dy by dx, differentiation of e power log x. E power log x is e power log x. Again differentiation of log x is 1 by x. Log x is 1 by x. Next question. So y equals e power 1 by x. So dy by dx. E power fx. Differentiation of e power 1 by x is e power 1 by x. Again differentiation of 1 by x. We have a formula. How much is differentiation of 1 by x minus 1 by x square? Minus 1 by x square. Next question. So y equals e power sin square x. Sin square x. Now, so dy by dx. E power sin square is e power sin square. Into, again differentiate sin square. E power sin square is e power sin square. Again differentiate sin square. Sin square. Sin square x. Sin square x. E power sin square is e power sin square. Again differentiate sin square. Here we have power base angle. ಇಲ್ಲಿ power ಇದೆ, base ಇದೆ, angle ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. Power base angle. Power base angle. You start from power. X power n 2 into sin power 2 minus 1 1. Need not to write 2 minus 1 1. Power ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತೆ sin ಮಾಡಿ. Sin ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ cos x. Again differentiation of x is 1. Need not to write. How much divided dx is e power sin square x into what is 2 sin x cos x? Sin 2x. 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. Sin 2x. Next go for one more question. So write. Okay students, I write some questions. You practice at home. You practice these questions at home. You practice these questions at home. Find dy by dx of the following. First one, sin log x. Second one, so log of sin x. Third one, so tan power 5 secant x. Fourth one, cot cube tan x. Fifth one, so write secant cube tan x. Sixth one, root of so sin log x. Seventh one, root of x cube plus 1. So next question, so root of so write x power 5 plus x power plus 1. So next question, so write e power cos square x. So next question, e power x power 10. Next question, so write so e power sin x square plus 1. So next question, so write so sin of 15x. Next question, so write log of sin square x. You practice these questions, students. Let us stop this class. So thank you.